Hello guys, welcome to Tech Avro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you listen to Spotify offline. So for that, at first just go to your Spotify app. Now after going here, just click on an artist or song. Now I'm going to open a song like it. Now here you can see there is a download icon beside the plus icon. You need to just click it to download it. And to download it you need to have the premium version, otherwise you cannot download it. But you can listen to your device songs on Spotify. So for that you need to just go back to your home page again and click the top left to your profile icon. Click on settings and privacy. Now scroll down and here you can see the last third option is local files. Click on it. Now just click on show audio files from this device. Just toggle on. Click on allow. Now click the bottom third option, your library. And here you can see the local files option are here. Just click on this option, local files, and all of your local files are here. You can just listen to any of this song. So guys, that's the ways you can listen to Spotify offline. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, bro. Thank you so much for watching the video.